What are you looking at? Hey. There's nothing in there. Hey. What do you see in there? Hey. I don't know what the hell is in there. There's nothing in there. What? Get out of there, please. It must be a bug. Very, very tiny, small bug that I don't see. There's literally nothing over there. I have no idea. They have x-ray vision, I swear to God. Look at the freaking fur on the back, standing up. I saw nothing. I see nothing. I saw nothing. I don't know what the hell he's going after. Where is this bug? Where is this bug? It's not. Don't you dare. Get out of there. And now you're over it. Maybe a fruit fly? Because before this, literally jumping at the air earlier. I don't see anything. Where is it? This cat has me paranoid now. Chasing invisible bugs. I have no idea what he sees. It's gotta be microscopic. Or imaginary. Because I didn't see anything. Where is it? Where's that phantom bug you're looking for? Or whatever the hell it is that he's looking for. No idea. Yeah, you. Where the hell were you when I had 2 possums in the house and you wanted to make friends with them instead of chasing them out? Still at it. No idea what he sees. Milo. What are you doing? There's literally nothing. I inspected. There's nothing. Flashlight, magnifying glass, did not see anything, so I have no idea what he's looking for.